everyone, myself Rajpirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said on the Sunday that the centre had punished the Delhi government by handing power to Lucent government for standing with agitating farmer against black laws. Mr. Kejriwal was addressing a Kisan Mahapanchayat in Haryana, Jind district. They introduced a bill in parliament to punish Kejriwal. We faced receipts for supporting farmer protest. They are punishing us by passing the bill and handing over the into LG hands. Instead of the elected government, did we fight freedom struggle for this? He asked. He said that BJP-led central government conspired to put farmer coming to Delhi in jail created by the converting 9 stadium. But we were founded as the law stated that the power to convert the stadium into jail rests with the Delhi chief minister. It is worth mentioning that violence broke out on Saturday after farmers protesting the centre. New agriculture legislation clashed with police in Haryana, Rohtak, resulting in a police officer and early farmer getting injured. The clash interrupted when protesters tried to stop Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar from entering a private university where we has scheduled to attend a condolence meeting held in memory of Rohat MP Arvind Sharma's father. National Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student get up to 50% scholarship in Durgapur, their location. Total 5554 people got vaccine for the burn in West Bardhaman district on Saturday, April 3 in a day. 2,990 people aged 45 to 60 years have taken the vaccine, and on this day 1,804 people have taken vaccine among older citizens above 60 years of age. District Chief Health Officer of CMOH Dr. Ashwani Kumar Manji said West Bengal a total of 1,64,524 common people have been brought under vaccine till Saturday in the district. The CMOH said that 3 more targets in this West Bardhaman district have been planned to be given vaccine for vaccination. He added that the plan will be made quickly. A district by Union Health Minister vaccine or vaccinations are being provided on all day of April. This vaccine will be given during the holidays. The number of public and private centers for vaccination and vaccine in a West Bardhaman district is 125. Recruiting health insurance advisor, bright career opportunity, get full-time and part-time for. In spite of curbs imposed on coal leverage across the state, a large quantity of coal bicycle are being mined in different parts of the Sankoberia Fadi area through a daily sacks for Sanberia Fadi area of Kulti police station. The coal is being sent to other areas including Sankoboria, Nonia, Basti, via Gangule, via Kulti. The police could not be contracted in this crossing coal loaded on bicycle logged in sacks from Sangbrook, Nonia settlement band. About 50 activities joined BJP ahead of polls in CPM and Trinamool Kulti, according to Manoj Sharma. election bell is on the state. Before that, around 50 activities from CPM and Trinamool strength the hand of BJP candidate Ajay Poddar, led by the Indrajit Pal, General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Party. Kulti Mandal 1 in Kulti Assembly joined Bharatiya Janata Party.
এবং পরিচয় পর্ব সারার পর আমাদের জয়েনিং প্রোগ্রাম হবে, তারপরে আমাদের মূল কার্যক্রম শুরু হবে। আমি পরিচয় করে দিয়েছি আমাদের এই মণ্ডলের সভাপতি মাননীয় বাবলু প্যাটেল মহাশয় উপস্থিত, মাননীয় তিনি আমাদের এই কুলটি বিধানসভার পুরো দায়িত্বে আছেন। তার পাশে আছেন আমাদের এই কুলটি বিধানসভার কনভেনার রাজেশ সিনহা মহাশয়, আর তার পাশে আছেন আমাদের এই মণ্ডলের সহসভাপতি পিন্টু।
माता की वंदे 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 भारत माता की भारत माता की नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद सोनार बांग्ला जिंदाबाद सोनार बांग्ला जिंदाबाद सोनार बांग्ला जिंदाबाद बीजेपी 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 जिंदाबाद बीजेपी 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 जिंदाबाद बीजेपी 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 जिंदाबाद डॉक्टर अजय पुतार जिंदाबाद डॉक्टर अजय पुतार जिंदाबाद भारत माता की भारत माता की
Barabani Block President Asit Singh were present today on behalf of Trinamool with women in Das, Kari village under Panuria Gram Panchayat. Deputy Head of Panuria Gram Panchayat Biswajit Singh Manoj Sharma report from Barabani.
লাইন করো দুটা লাইন দা
Sri Malay Component Trinamool Patrician of Asansol North Assembly along with Teacher Society at Gurdwara Hall near Rambandhu Pond, Asansol. About 500 teachers from primary and secondary school participated in the meeting. The meeting was mainly attended by Abhijit Component, Loket Chatterjee, Rajiv Mukherjee, Dr. Kalimul Haq, Ankita Chaudhary, Himri Sekhar, Patra, Dipendu Shah, Sumit Rai, Gandhi Prasad, Nonia Mukesh Jha, Jaydev Fath, Gurdas Chatterjee, etc. Employment under the agency of Jharkhand Pradesh Professional Congress and Swing Center was inaugurated on Sunday under Your Door program. Hanuman Nagar Global Convent School, Heshal Devi Pavilion, Ratu Road, Ranchi. Inaugurated by Jharkhand Pradesh Professional Congress President Aditya Vikram Jaiswal will be present at the state and dignitaries. Professional Congress officers and functionaries are present. Kulti Mandal Chairman of Chief and Ward number 69 of Basblu Patel, Jhankarpur, Hanuman Chakai, Makuria, BCCL, Colliery like Begonia Bend, Old GT Road, Station Road, Namak Colony, Maya Nagar Home Pipe Barakar bus stand was visited by BJP MLA candidate Dr. Ajay Poddar. In the meantime, Dr. Poddar was going to one house and urging the people to vote in his favor. They are also getting full support from the people of the assembly. In addition, separate meetings are also being held on different areas. Trinamool and BJP supporters were among those who were facing a face-off during campaign in Madhpur village of Laudoha in Pandeshwar Assembly. Consequently, the BJP alleged that Trinamool supporters were crowded with BJP supporters by calling guns from outside. A large number of police force reached the spot and sent a separate route to both the political parties of pacify the case. According to the police sources, the procession was passing through village Madhpur from both sides of Trinamool BJP. On the other hand, Trinamool Congress district coordinator V. Shiv Dasu said that the Trinamool Congress is doing punk or BJP. The general public knows everything. He did not name the BJP candidate of Pandeshwar and said that in the last 5 years, Trinamool Congress rule in the district was as much as punk. Who was the Trinamool leader? The same time, the same leader was being named in Trinamool Congress at the time. The order provisional season of the West Bengal Sikkim Provisional Marwadi Yuva Morcha Uplift 2021 2 p.m. to 4 April 2021 successfully concluded at Mandharmani. The new president of the provision was elected at the convention and young Ashish Agarwal from Jorthang branch was elected new provisional president 2021 to 2023. The Asansol city branch, which was attended by branches from all over West Bengal and Sikkim, also registered its participation. He was rewarded from work done by the branches from years 19 to 20 and 20 to 21, and number of individual awards were also given. Asansol, Raniganj, Durgapur, a meeting was formed compromising the three meetings which will be named Maheshwari Sabha, West Bardhaman. All married men from every family have their own separate membership in this contest. The Holi Milan festival was celebrated in collaboration with Ramkumar Ji Sharda in Raniganj. The names of the members of newly formed house as follow: Chairman Rakesh Ji Bhatar, Durgapur Vice Chairman Ramesh Ji Somani, Raniganj Jasidi Jagdish Ji Bagadi, Asansol Secretary Sujit Ji Mohananta, Durgapur Co-Secretary Vishal Ji Sharda were present on this occasion. Asansol city branches received several awards from the nation and provision. Now I am presenting SMS from News Movement. Helping protect the election is one of our top priorities and we have made some significant changes.